of course, we gotta start out looking at Bitcoin. Alright, currently Bitcoin's sitting at $30,187. Lower the volume here. We're gonna keep the music going though, because you know what? I like the background noise. Anyways, so looking at Bitcoin. You can see we were in this continuation pattern. I do have a measured move up here to actually make it up to $33,670. Does look like all we did was backtest a level of support, and this level of support is probably found on the weekly. But yeah, so you can see candle low closes, utilize that support back here, 29,438. We have come down, we wicked down, we touched it. We are currently fighting against, wait a minute. Yeah, we are fighting against the 100 simple moving average. Not bad. But the most important thing on the weekly, we are above the 200 simple moving average, indicating more than likely we are starting that next bull cycle. Now, understand that 200 simple moving average at some point in time will more than likely get tested. So currently that is at $25,913. If we do lose that level, bear market back on. Keep that in mind. We can fall all the way down to 25,900 and still be extremely bullish. So everybody thinking, oh, this is all just a fake out. Until I see that level breached, I think it's real. Anyways, that's looking at Bitcoin on the weekly. Looking at the daily, actually the weekly looks fine. We can say overbought for months on end. The daily stochastic resetting, we might see Bitcoin try to make a move before the end of the week. We might see it. And noted, going back to the weekly, where would the move be up into? Possibly this 33,400. Go figure. Go figure. And how did I get to the 33,000 number? Well, I just used a measured move. Small measured move from this consolidation to the top. Basically this level of resistance. Bring it up here. And that's how I got that measured move up here to, and I'll say it again, 33,169. I need to take a minute. I'm getting a phone call from my father. Give me a minute. Well, dang, looks like one of our trips might be getting postponed due to weather. Anyways, looking at Ethereum. So, Ethereum sitting here in this tight, very, very tight bull flag. This is absolutely phenomenal for you range traders out there. Enjoy your crazy leverage in this tight consolidation. Because yeah, it looks like you're going to be sitting in this little consolidation for a few days. Noted, if you lose this level at 2046, you are more than likely going to backtest 1937. But as of right now, the bears have been getting absolutely destroyed. So I'm guessing if we do hit the lower part of this range, that would be the time to try and go long and enjoy the upside, because you could possibly, oh my god, possibly see what, 16% upside? Oh my. Yeah, Ethereum looking set to go. That is wild. Absolutely wild. So yeah, Ethereum's looking pretty darn good, but the one that has my attention the most right now, actually two of them have my attention the most right now, SXP. SXP, look at this, look at this. So, upon a breakout and successful backtest, let's lower this down, but you can see on the daily, we are in a bull flag. As soon as we get closer to this 50 simple moving average, game on. Game on. I am expecting 100%, actually 111% upside out of SXP. Keep this on the radar. Soon as you're done consolidating, I'm guessing you got one more touchdown here, possibly a 5097, possibly. Then, you know what? I need an alert here. I need that alert. So, one more touch to the downside, get closer to this 50 simple moving average, and then game on. 111% upside potential. Life-changing money can be made in these altcoins right now. Life-changing. Looks absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and check the weekly. Let's find out what we have below us. Below us, ooh, our 50 simple moving average on the weekly is all the way down here at 36.94. I don't think we're going to touch that anytime soon. Would you look at that? However, measured move is going to take us up to the weekly 100 simple moving average. You can't plan this out any better. That's absolutely wild. Alright, so that's what we're looking for out of SXP. Might take some time to develop, but once it does, strap on, strap in. You're going for a ride, baby. But we do have some more downside. I'm guessing we are going to test this 200 simple moving average on the 4 hour, and that's where we should end up seeing the move to the upside, or at least the push toward the upside. We'll see how the traders play this one. Gala. Great news coming off of Gala. Also breaking out right this moment. Oh boy, Gala coming strong. I really want to see a backtest though. I'm not even joking around. I would love to see it pull down, touch, and go, but I don't think we're going to get it. So the news on Gala, they're going to create a version 2. On this version 2, they're going to have a burning mechanism in there, but the most important thing you need to know about Gala is people are buying and holding it because they will be getting airdropped 1-to-1 to their Gala holdings. So as long as you are holding Gala, you will get the version 2, and then expect this version to just get left behind. Noted, some exchanges are known to keep carrying the token in case there are some random developers that want to try and build on the Gala Classic that will be made, just like Luna Classic, and that's when you could end up making double your money. Because if Gala lives on, then there's a possibility at free money. Anyways, that's Gala, the great news behind it. I'm waiting for this backtest. I want to see this stochastic on the 15-minute reset, and that would give me the indication of, hey, time to get in there. Your short-term measured move after you get the pullback is 16% upside, likely. Let's bring this down. What could happen? You could come all the way down here. which then, of course, it changes the trajectory a little bit, but about 17% upside. That's in the short term. The longer term, you're looking at all the way up here to 659. More than likely, you will see the 7978 to 8196 level getting hit. And that's literally just because of in the past, you broke out of this massive falling wedge pattern. You have never made your entire move. This is Gala's chance to finally finish that off. Gala's chance to do greatness is right now. I mean, you only got a month to get there, so good luck. Good luck, Gala and Gala holders. Okay, what the heck? Zilliqa on a moon mission. Oh my gosh. Zilliqa working its way up to 4357 because you have broken the level. You even back tested it on the 4 hour technically, so it's off to the races right now. We'll see where the traders want to send this. You are currently hitting resistance, but you did hit a formal back test on this massive consolidation. Your price target actually is all the way up here. You can see your measured move from back here. Yeah, just place it right there, big guy. 131% upside. You have made almost half of the move. You're hitting resistance right now. Soon as you break that resistance, you could see another 38% upside out of Zilliqa. Zilliqa's looking phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. You got Injective starting to try and make a move right now. Injective is actually a really interesting one because I called for the downside, but now you're starting to see some positive momentum. Maybe you're just trying to reset some indicators like the 15 minute. Yep, you're 15 minutes up high. You are primed and ready to see a little bit lower prices if the sellers step in. However, if you want to see a crazy short squeeze, these buyers will keep sending the price up and break 987. If they break it, you will see a test, more than likely up to 1367. More than likely. This is just what I see out of the charts. None of this should ever be taken as financial advice. One trade that I'm currently in is AGIX Singularity. You can see we were in this nice falling wedge pattern. We broke out, formal back test, and now we are trying to get our 18% measured move. Currently in this trade, and I am enjoying the gains. I got in on a pretty good entry, so I'm not sad about it. And we still have plenty of room to run up. Plenty of room to run up. Hopefully this fills tonight, because if it does, the next coin I'm looking to jump into is Dodo. The Dodo has my attention. It has my attention way more than ice cream on a hot day. We are coming close to the apex of this consolidation. We could see 42% upside upon a breakout and successful backtest. Or it'll do what Wax did yesterday. Just give me a crazy wick to the upside. Also, Audius did the same thing. Crazy wick to the upside and then fall right back down. Which, absolutely insane that can happen, but it does. And I'm going to show you right now. Audius, I literally had this marked out. I was like, hey, looks like we're going to break bullishly out of this rising wedge pattern. What did it do? It did it. It did it. Single hour. It shot up 51% before coming right back down. Now you're just consolidating. That's irritating. That's so irritating to see because I missed it. Absolutely missed it. Didn't get it. Another one that happened right here. Wax. So the measured move, we didn't quite hit it. We came close though. That was a measured move. Where's that measured move come from? Right back here. Your measured move. Upon a breakout, you never got a successful backtest. So this move is not over. It could do it again. But we just have to wait and see. I have my alerts set. I'm just ready and waiting. If things start going south, we do have our downside targets. 22% is a short term, and 46% is the longer term downside target. Render also looking for a little bit of downside after hitting overhead resistance. You know, you just got to stop off, get a little Gatorade, and get ready to run at it again. I'm expecting our render to come down, possibly backtesting this level at 8731. Possibly. Could be a little bit lower, a little bit deeper, back down here to 1714. But we're going to have to wait and see what the traders have in store. You did hit your measured move off this. You hit the measured move and then some. Now you're just coming back down to reality. Kind of is what it is, and it's not what it's not. Let's see here. Zilliqa still doing alright. Cooling off just a touch. Anchor's doing okay. Magic, AGIX, fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at ACH. So ACH, you can see we are bouncing around in this consolidation pattern. I'm expecting after you break out. So this one needs to be seen. So you can see right here, we had this bull flag set. Measured move to the upside is all the way up here. We've been coming up. We hit resistance, came down. Possibly going to consolidate here just a little bit more. Maybe we hit the supply line, maybe not. 35% upside after we get our act right. 35 to 36% upside. It's all possible. It is all possible. Take a look at Arbitrum. 4-hour stochastic has reset. You were in this bull flag. You have formally backtested. Let's get this out of the way so you can see. Formal backtest. You are currently finding some positive momentum. This one might actually run in the middle of the night. This might run in the middle of the night. Just forewarning. Now noted, I measured this from here. So your measured move. You have your confirmed backtest. Nothing is stopping Arbitrum from making this move. 34% upside. Arbitrum. It's set. The stage is set. All the buyers need to do is send it. Send it. Another one that has my attention that looks just like this, and it's like the Arbitrum little brother. We're looking at Radiant. Now Radiant, I have two separate measured moves here. We didn't quite as cleanly backtest. That's mainly because Radiant has a smaller market cap, is what it is. But you can see the falling wedge pattern right there. You can see it. You can see the flagpole. So the smaller move is from this portion of the flag. We get our measured move right here. There you go. So on that measured move, we would be looking at 32% upside. There's still a lot left on the bone. 27% from here is possible. But if we go the longer move, so if we take all of it, if we get crazy out here, we get this whole thing. Absolutely insane. Raise it up right there. Then we would be aiming a little bit higher, all the way up to 38%, about 39, you know, close to 39%. You know, I came live because I wanted to look at so many different coins. If anybody is in the chat, please drop a request because I'm only going to look at a couple more before I end stream, unless the requests start rolling in. If you're seeing this video late, then please like and subscribe. Also, join the Discord. It's in the description. Hold on. Father's calling me one more time. Alrighty, sorry about that. I was on the phone with father. Anyways, decided to come back over to AGIX cause look at this, look at this, look at this. We are starting to move, which is great. It's absolutely fantastic for the trade. We're up 1.37 on the new day, and we are getting a little bit of momentum here. Hopefully it continues. Hopefully it continues. All I'm looking for is 18% out of this trade. I am currently on some leverage for it, and yeah, anyways, for the short term, you're looking at this 18%, the longer term, 45, and then, of course, if we zoom on out to the 4 hour, we do have this longer move, which would bring us up to 51% upside. The only thing that would make me really sad about this trade is if it hit 51% while I was sleeping and I didn't get in on it. That would kind of suck. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out a couple more. We're going to look at Lido. Lido has been consolidating like crazy. Wow. So Lido, it does look like it is running into some hard times. You know, Ethereum allowing some unstaking. This is going to make it a little harder for the Lido. Because big attraction Lido had before was that it had liquid staking for Ethereum. And that drove a lot of people in there. Anyways, let's go ahead and see if we manage to... I don't even know how to measure this, to be honest. I can't measure that. We'll just go with the wide part. Oh my goodness. So let's just say we do get a breakout somewhere down here. We could see 47% rise. $3.59, which would give us a new all-time high. So that's partially why there's so much sell pressure in this area, simply because we are about to break through all-time highs. It's also why you're noticing OP, also another great platform that did give liquid staking, had much bigger movements, and that's literally just because it was a little further off of its all-time highs. So right now it's currently trying to work its way up to this resistance at $3. On the 4 hour, you can see the consolidation is happening. It does look like buyers are trying to push it up a little bit. You can see the same thing as we saw in a few other tokens tonight. You had the breakout and the back test. You do have a measured move. You do have a measured move. Your measured move has come up to $3.25. Now, the thing about OP is when it gets moving, it strongly moves. So, I definitely believe this could happen in the near future. But we just have to wait and see what the traders want to do. For those of you who want to see the wedge, there it is. The wedge was real. Wedging out. Get some potatoes out here because we got wedges. Get rid of this now. Well, actually, hold on. Did it backtest that too? Almost. Almost. It tried to backtest right here. The buyer stepped in. They're like, nah, this level of support is enough. That's great. You can see OP just looks nasty in this area. Lots of trading volume. So if we do break out, go above, this will be a great area in order to find some bids, find some support. So this is great to see. It's actually great. We have not looked at Matic lately because Matic has been, I don't know. Matic, it's like it has the best news ever, yet hardly moves. We are above major resistance. You know what? We're going to take a better look at Matic. Let's go out to the weekly. Let's go out to the weekly. Let's just clean up the chart. Let's clean the chart. See what we're working with. You know what? We need more data. We need more data. There we go. There we go. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. Alright, we have a cleaner chart here. So on the weekly, you can see we are fighting against the 100 simple moving average. The 200 weekly simple moving average has just formed. That's amazing. But we are just trading in this channel. Not bad. Not bad. Oh my gosh. No, Matic might be getting ready for a huge move. Holy crap. Maddox's weekly stochastic is reset. I'd be looking for Maddox to start making some big moves next week. Price target $1.87. That's your price target on the weekly. That is insane. There's like a little pocket up here. So 187 to 195. Damn. Didn't think I'd be identifying that tonight. All right. All right. Yeah, as soon as you break 149, I mean, that's all she wrote. You're good to go. Have you ever noticed in this zone, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down? Why would we not go straight up again? So, Matic, I'm calling for, let's see, from where we're sitting right this moment, 60% upside for Matic. That's no joke. That's no joke. That looks amazing. Actual. That looks really good. Oh, Gala. Is Gala about to give us our pullback? Gala's about to give us our pullback. Gala's gonna do it. Gala's gonna do it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is what we love to see. This is what we love to see. Look at it. Surely look. That looks great. It's absolutely great. Oh, what is it? Oh, technically it'd be like that. What was I drawing that on? Yeah, it'd look like that. So you broke out a little bit. You're coming back down. We could see something very egregious. We see Gala just come all the way down here. That would be horrible, but healthy. Be so healthy. However, if this is your back test, wow. Just wow. I mean, the 1 hour for Gala does look like it can go. What's the 4 hour? The 4 hour, it's got a little room. It's got some room. This could happen. This could happen. CTIS is going the distance. Running the speed. It broke out, and it not only hit the measured move, it exceeded it. Wow. Wowzers. That's crazy. Oh, look at that. Hey! We got a great measured move down now. This is beautiful. We have a perfect spot to put our... Yep. So, Cello. We are looking to test, looks like the 100 simple moving average on the 4 hour. Not bad. Not too shabby. You had all the makings of a varsity athlete. There's like nothing overhead. Why does my chart look so terrible? Oh man, this chart looks gross. I don't like it. The chart looks, ugh. Looks gross. Holy crap, what injective is running? It's like Forrest Gump. It is running. It's running for the back test. You know, this actually makes a lot of sense. So I would expect it, injective, to hit 951. And then once you hit 951, we just raise this up to about right there. Price target is still $7.94 after a proper back test. I'm okay with this move. I am okay with it. Conflux also was looking like it wanted to do something. Technically speaking, it could go 25% upside. You're just bouncing in a range right now. Still haven't tested the top of the range once again, but it does look like you have this lower range right here. Could bounce around in that. All you've done is straight down, straight up, straight down. Are you going to do it? Are you going to go straight up? It could. It very well could. Am I going to care? Not at all. Not at all. Because I'm in AGIX. Anyways, that's the stream, everybody. No requests. Nobody talking. Hopefully in the future, when the bull run really gets going, we get more people in here willing to learn about stuff like this. Sorry for the phone calls, but it kind of is what it is. I will catch you in the next one. You guys take it easy. Hopefully those trades are going well. If you haven't done so, please join the Discord, and I'll catch you in the next one.